Bumida sa website ng Grammys ang P-pop idol girl group na Bunny. Na-feature kasi ng Grammys ang bagong EP or extended plays ng grupo, ang Binaverse, sa New Music Friday list nito. Kasama ng Nations girl group ang mga naglalakihang international artist na sina Lizzo, Benson Boone, Halsey, Natalia Lafourcade, Freddie, Need to Breathe, Architects, Forrest Frank, at Banks. Tinawag ng Grammys na infectious ang awitin ng Nations girl group, Enter the Buniverse, BINI's new era, which began last summer when the 8-piece Filipino girl group launched their Buniverse tour, now has an infectious soundtrack in the form of their latest 6-track mini-album, say ng Grammy. Binayda rin nila ang iba pang track sa Buniverse EP. In addition to fun and flirty singles Blink Twice, and last summer's Cherry on Top, the P-pop stars' first English language project includes aspirational anthem Zero Pressure, The Abulian Out of My Head, a collaboration Secrets, and a bonus remix of Cherry on Top by Indonesian star Agianizi Mo. Sa kasalukuyan, #1 album ang Binaverse sa Apple Music.